I'm going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration of how to use the speech-to-text and the text-to-speech features on an Apple computer. When you're doing this one, it's fairly simple as you're going through it. When you're doing having text read to you by your computer, you may want to go into your accessibility menu under the system preferences and then come over to spoken content. There you can choose the voice that you wanted to read back to you with. If you're not real comfortable with the voice that you're hearing, you can do some adjustment there. And if you're doing the speech to text, what you want to do is go into the keyboard setting. Just type in the word keyboard right there, and then it'll bring that up, and then you go over and click on to dictation, where you can then customize the button that you're actually going to access when you're utilizing it. Personally, I go in and change mine to Command S for the spoken when I'm talking to the computer. When you're reading it, usually the default is going to be Control R, and that's usually what I'm going to use as well. Under that one right there, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how that works. If you go, and I'm going to go with the spoken one, so I'm going to go Command S right here. What I'm going to do now is just talk to the computer, period. I can say whatever I want to, comma, or I can think whatever I want to during the process, period. As you can see, the words have already appeared there. Obviously, if I'm looking at this now, I'm like, I'm going to do now is just, so I'm going to make that adjustment. Now I want to hear it back. I've typed in my paragraph, or I've done whatever I need to. I can just go back here and highlight this and then hit the Command R.
What I'm going to do now is just talk to the computer. I can say whatever I want to, or I can think whatever I want to during the process.
And that's really about as simple as it gets. You can do that as you're working with that. Currently, I'm using a microphone that I bought online that hooks directly into my computer, has a little plug-in to the USB, and that costs about $25. You can actually do this with students if they wanted an exact dictation of what you're saying in class. Of course, there is a danger they'll have exactly what you said in class. So that's all my little demonstration for today.